Alocasia amazonica, also known as Alocasia polly or African mass plant,
is a stunning houseplant known for its striking foliage with deep green leaves and prominent white veins. Caring for this plant requires attention to its specific needs to ensure it thrives. Here's how to care for Alocasia amazonica. 1. Light. In direct light, Alocasia amazonica prefers bright and direct light. Direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, so place it near a window with filtered light or in a well-lit room away from direct rays. Avoid low light. Insufficient light can cause the leaves to lose their vibrancy and stunt the plant's growth. 2. Temperature. Warm temperatures. This plant thrives in temperatures between 65 ATF 1827 C. Keep it away from cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. Avoid cold. Temperatures below 60 F15 C can harm the plant, leading to slow growth or dormancy. 3. Humidity. High humidity. Alocasia amazonica loves high humidity levels. Aim for at least 60% humidity. Increase humidity. Use a humidifier. Place the plant on a pebble tray filled with water, or mist the leaves regularly to maintain adequate humidity. 4. Watering. Consistent moisture. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Drainage. Ensure the pot has good drainage to prevent water from pooling, which can cause root rot. 5. Soil. Well-draining soil. Use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. A mix designed for tropical plants or a combination of peat, perlite, and compost works well. 6. Fertilization. Regular feeding. Feed the plant with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4-6 weeks during the growing season spring and summer. Reduce feeding in fall and winter. Reduce fertilization as the plant's growth slows down. 7. Pruning. Remove dead leaves. Prune away any yellowing or dead leaves to maintain the plant's appearance and health. Control size. Trim back any leggy growth to encourage a more compact and bushy form. 8. Repotting. Repot when root-bound. Alocasia amazonica prefers to be slightly root-bound, but should be repotted every 1 to 2 years into a slightly larger pot to give the roots more room to grow. Fresh soil. Use fresh potting mix when repotting to provide new nutrients. 9. Pests and diseases. Common pests. Watch for pests like spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Prevent diseases. Ensure good air circulation around the plant to prevent fungal diseases. Avoid getting the leaves too wet, especially during cooler months. 10. Dormancy. Winter dormancy. Alocasia amazonica may go dormant in winter, with reduced growth and some leaf loss. During this period, reduce watering and stop fertilizing until new growth resumes in spring. By following these care tips, you can enjoy the beauty of Alocasia amazonica and keep it thriving in your home. Its unique and attractive foliage will make a striking addition to your plant collection.